About 2 weeks ago, I posted this particular video on this channel, and this video is still paying massively. I withdrew $20 in that video right then, and right now I'm going to be making another withdrawal on this video. I make money every single day on this platform, and it has lasted for 2 weeks and it is still paying. So do well to leverage on this platform and make a lot of money for yourself, and I encourage you to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be able to get more updates like this. And don't forget to like our videos, comment, and also don't forget to share it with friends. Some more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Don't still forget that I'm not a financial advisor. So everything I do also on this channel are only for educational purposes and for entertainment only. No further ado, we're going to drive straight into the platform. So all you have to do is just to go over to the video description or the comment section. You're going to see this button right here that is saying link in bio. So all you have to do is just to click on it, and you'll be taken to my link in bio, in which you see all my social media platforms and other platforms that are still paying massively. You see their links right there, and if you check right here, you see that there are 5 links right here, but the platform I'm sharing with you now is binance staking. So you have to just to click on the link, make registration, and start making a lot of money for yourself. And this video is a step-by-step guide on how to use it. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to the registration page, and I'm going to show you everything step by step. Before that, I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal in this video to show you that the platform really pays. And if you check my brokerage wallet, I currently have 10.21 USDT. I withdraw every single day from this platform. So all I have to do is just to click on the withdrawal button, and I'll be brought to the withdrawal page. And I've explained this before. You can withdraw using TRX and BP20. So I've withdrawn using my BP20. And once I click on that, my BP20 address is currently imputed right here automatically because I've withdrawn using it several times. I just click on all right here, input my security password right here, and once I click on that, I'm going to be able to make a withdrawal in this video, and I'll click on the confirm button for my withdrawal to be placed successfully. And as you can see over, it shows withdrawal success right here. So we're going to wait patiently to see how long it is going to take for it to arrive into my crypto wallet. So don't forget to stick around to the very end of this video so that I'll show you everything step by step. And now that I've placed the withdrawal, my brokerage wallet is now 0.00, while my staked wallet, it keeps increasing my brokerage wallet for me every day, and I keep making withdrawals every single day for myself. So do well to leverage on this platform, keep making money for yourself every single day. And if you check right here, you see that my daily income is 20.70 USDT, which is what I make every single day from this platform. So if you want to be like me, leverage on this platform, make a lot of money for yourself. And boom guys, this is 10.21 USDT in my crypto wallet right now. And as you can see, this is BP20, which is exactly what the token I used to withdraw it, and this is the 10.21 USDT, which is exactly what I will do. So I have to just leverage on this platform right now and make cool cash and a lot of money for yourself. This is 138 USDT in my balance right here, and name of the platform I'm about to share with you right now is binance staking, and I have already started making a lot of money for myself on this platform. As you can see over here, in my invest wallet I have 138 USDT, and in my brokerage wallet I have 20 USDT, which is what I'm going to be withdrawing right here in this video. So I'll just advise you to stick around to the very end of this video so that I'll show you how you can perform everything on this platform so that you'll be able to make money for yourself every single day by just doing simple things on this platform. So before we continue with this video, I want you to know and keep it in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Don't take anything I do or say on this channel as financial advice. Please do your own research before you make any investments. If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Michael and this is Cash Creation Clan, where we share with you tips to make money online and go profitable online business. So do well to smash that subscribe button and hit the drop down bell icon to get notified whenever I post any updates like this. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends so more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. Subscribe to this channel for more money making tips and so you'll be able to get latest money making platforms like this for you to be able to make money for yourself every day. If you want to join our social media, visit this section on the YouTube channel homepage, and you'll be able to join all our social media platforms. This is our YouTube channel, our partnership channel, our massive Telegram channel, our WhatsApp group, our massive WhatsApp channel, my Telegram handle for business inquiries and collaboration, and my WhatsApp contact for business inquiries and collaboration. So do well to join all our social media, and so that you'll be able to get updates faster, because we don't make videos for every update. Instead, they are posted on our social media platforms. So before we make videos, we first and post it, so I'll be able to get the latest updates faster, and so I'll be able to start leveraging on it to start making money for yourself. So right here, the first thing I'm going to do is to place a live withdrawal in this video. I will still advise you stay to the end of this video so that you will get the step-by-step method on how to use this platform to make money for yourself. So once you click on that withdraw button, you'll be taken to the withdrawal section. As you can see, there are two withdrawal methods. You can withdraw using the TRX and you can withdraw using the BEP20. And the minimum withdrawal for using the TRX is 11 TRX, while if you go to the BEP20, the minimum withdrawal for using the BEP20 is 2.5 USDT. I'm going to be withdrawing using the BEP20. So all I have to do is just to input my withdrawal address in this section, and after inputting that, I input the amount I want to withdraw. So I'll just click on all right here for me to withdraw everything that is showing on my available assets on this section. Then right here, I'll be able to input my security password. Now that I've successfully inputted the security password, I'm going to click on the confirm button for my withdrawal to be placed, and as you can see over here, it shows withdrawal successful. So we'll just wait patiently and check when the withdrawal is going to arrive into my crypto wallet. Wow, I received the 20 USDT immediately. The withdrawal was so very fast. Guys, why are you wasting time? Leverage on this platform right now to make excess money for yourself. If you want to start with this platform, click on the link in the video description. You will see the registration link, or you can click on the link pinned on the comment section. You can also see the registration link. If you want to leverage on this platform to make money for yourself, this platform is really paying massively, and the withdrawal drops immediately. As you can see, 20 USDT received into my wallet. So do well to leverage on this platform right now and make money for yourself. So once you click on the registration link, you'll be brought to this interface. Right here, this is the name, which is main staking. So if you read these texts that are showing over here, you will see it shows here high ROI, simple, secure, stake USDT to earn passive income. So if you click on stake now, you'll be opportunity to input all your credentials to start making money for yourself. And after inputting your credential, you click on registration button and your account will be created successfully. If you click on app, you'll be able to download their mobile app, because they now have an official mobile app. So if you scroll down, you will see the advantages of the main staking. Right here, they have the fixed percentage, which means the system automatically sets accrues and dividends on the deposit depending on this amount. Then they have the reliability guarantee, which means that investors' funds are fully available to them at any time. Withdrawal is only possible to the wallet from which the investment was made. Then while they have the allocation, thanks to the automated fund allocation, only the investor has full control over their assets. If you click on stake now, you can still go and register and input all your credentials, and account will be created successfully. Right here, you will see all their plans. As you can see over here, the miner day plan, which is the 8% per day, is that you can stake only 8 to 20 USDT, and you'll be getting 8% every single day. If you scroll down, you will see their second plan, which is the basic edition plan, which is 15% every single day, and it is between 20 to 160 USDT, and you'll be getting 15% every single day. If you scroll down, you see the third plan, which is 160 to 600 USDT, and it is 17% every single day. If you scroll down, you still see the next one, 600 to 2000 USDT, and it is 19% every single day. If you scroll again, you see the 21% every single day, which is 2000 USDT to 6000 USDT, while the 6000 to 15000 USDT is 23% every single day. The 15000 USDT to 30000 USDT is 26% every single day. If you scroll again, you will see the second to last, which is 30%, the 30,000 to 60,000 USDT, which is 30% every single day, and the last but not the least, which is 60,000 USDT and above, you'll be getting 32% every single day. So if you click on invest now, you'll be able to choose the plan you want to invest. Then this section shows how to start. Choose the plan that best suits you. Make a deposit of 8 USDT or more, which means the minimum deposit is 8 USDT. Receive dividends and withdraw them. Then the platform fund allocation. The smart AI based fund management system automatically accumulates and distributes income in investments and their payouts. 90% of investors, 90% of the pool fund are allocated to investors who have made deposits. 2. The 5% project maintenance. 5% of the pool funds are allocated to project maintenance by development team and technical staff. Then the 5% marketing. 5% of the pool funds are allocated to the platform promotion in media resource. If you scroll down, you see the frequently asked questions in which you can ask the customer care service anytime you encounter any problem while using the platform. So for us to get started, you just click on stake now right here, and you'll be brought to the registration page. Right here, all you have to do is just to input your email address, your login password, your security password, your invitation code, and after inputting your invitation code, you click on the registration button and your account will be created successfully to start making money for yourself with this platform. Once you successfully created an account on this platform, this pop-up is going to show up right here. This is basically all the information you need to know about the platform. So this is all their features, all their services about the platform. If you click on next, you still see more features about them, and next again you still see more features about them. So you have to just click on this close button for you to be able to close this pop-up. So once you close the pop-up, you'll be brought to the home page where you see basically everything about the platform. As you can see over, it is showing me an unread message, and if I click on confirm, I will see the unread message, and I'm sure the message is going to be about my withdrawal. And as you can see over, it shows withdrawal success of 20 USDT, which means the amount has been successfully credited into my account. So all you have to do is just to leverage on this platform right now to make money for yourself. At this section that shows taking, it says specify the desired investment amount in USDT. The number of days is optional by default. The deposit is perpetual. 2. Select the amount and pledge days. Click state. 3. Receive hourly accruals on deposit with the ability to withdraw at any time. So if you scroll down, you will see this staking section right here. I currently have 138 USDT in my stake wallet, and my brokerage wallet is now 0 after I made the withdrawal. So for you to get started on this platform, the first thing you have to do is just to choose an investment plan that is best suitable to you, in which you can afford. Then you come to the recharge button and make a recharge on this platform. So once you click on the recharge section, you will see all the methods of recharging. As you can see, there are basically 5 methods in which you can recharge: the TRC20 USDT, the TRX, the BEP20 USDT, the Binance Bitcoin, and the BEP20 USDC. For me, I like recharging using the BEP20 USDC, so I'll just click on that. Then all I have to do is just to scan the QR barcode over here to make my recharge, or I can simply copy the recharge address, go to my crypto wallet and make the recharge. So after making the recharge, I'll click on recharge complete and refresh my dashboard, and the amount is going to be reflected. But if I encounter any problem, but before you make any recharge, you can also read this so that you'll be able to know how you can make a successful recharge into the platform. After making the recharge, you come back to your home page, scroll down and choose the amount you want to stake. As you can see on my balance, I have 138 USDT. So me, I'm going to be staking 138 USDT. So after inputting the amount you want to stake, you input the number of days you want to stake. And in my number of days, I'm going to be inputting 30 days, which is the number of days I want to invest. So if you scroll down, you will see it is showing right here every single day I'm getting 15%, which is 20.70 USDT, and in 30 days I'll get 621 USDT. So all I have to do is just to click on staking, and once I click on that, I'm going to be asked confirm stake of 138 USD for 30 days, and I'll just click on confirm, and after that you are going to see stake successful as it is showing on the screen. So after that, if you scroll down, you will see you'll be able to track your stake right here. As you can see over here, I'm getting 20.70 USDT every single day, and here to show you the amount I've earned, that is the percentage. If you scroll down, you will see the active contracts. Like me now, I have only one active contract, which is 138 USDT. I just staked for 30 days and everyday percentage of 15. So don't forget, I want to make one simple announcement in which I forgot to make at the beginning. Once you make a recharge into your account, is that your brokerage wallet is going to increase immediately, in which you can make a withdrawal immediately you make the recharge. Because as you saw at the beginning, I made the recharge of 138 USDT and my brokerage wallet became 20 USDT. So once you make a recharge, you'll brokerage wallet is going to increase immediately, and you'll be able to withdraw immediately before you can stake your money. So if you click on this section, this bell icon, you'll be able to get every notification from the platform, like when I got the notification of withdrawal successful. Then if you go back to this section, that these three lines, which is the menu, I'm going to be explaining what all these buttons mean right here in this video. The first button right here is the reward center. Here you can be able to get some reward from the platform, although the button is not working at the moment. If you click on history, you'll be able to see all your transaction records on this platform, both on your invest wallet and your brokerage wallet. As you can see over here, the charge of 138 USDT and deduction of 138 USDT, which is when I staked it. If you go to brokerage wallet, you will see recharge of 20 USDT, which is when the amount my brokerage wallet increased after I made the recharge, and this is minus 20 USDT, which is when I made my withdrawal. Then if you go back to that button, if you click on support, you'll be able to contact their customer care support. As you can see, right, this is their customer care service, this is their 247 online support, this is their Telegram channel. If you also click on this button showing right here, you'll be able to see the same thing, which is still that customer care support that is showing as a movable button. If you go back to that three lines, this referral program, this is a very big way for you to make more money for yourself. Right here, you'll be able to refer your friends and make excess money for yourself. As you can see by showing, acquire your referral link, distribute the link wherever you choose, reap the financial benefits. Right here, you'll be able to see the number of people that visited the platform with your registration link, but they didn't register. Here you see the number of people that registered. You see the active investors, which are those that made investments. Right here, you see the total income in which you received as a commission that your team recharged. Right here, you see the total team recharge, which is total amount that your team has recharged. Right here, you see your level. I'm at the bronze level because I recharged at the second level of investment. Then right here, this is your referral link and this is your referral code. If you click on it, you're going to copy it, and if you also click on referral code, you're going to also copy it. Or you can simply click on this for you to share on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, email, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If you scroll down, you will see the benefits from your referrals. Your level 1 10%, your level 2 2%, your level 3 1%. If you go down, you see some questions based on the referral program in which you can ask the platform if you encounter any problem. If you click on security settings, you'll be able to change your language to your language preference, your login password, and your security password based on the one that best suits you. You can change your language, you can change your login password and security password if you are encountering any problem that requires your account security. If you click on this section that's a written app, you'll be able to download their mobile app if you don't find it comfortable using their official website. If you click on this logout button right here, you'll be able to log out from the platform. I believe that this step-by-step method shown in this video has been a very wonderful opportunity for you to make money online. Subscribe to this channel if that sounds like true. Like this video, share it with friends, so more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. I'll be signing out for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel. Visit this section on the YouTube channel homepage, and you'll be able to join all our social media platforms, our YouTube channel, our partnership channel, our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp channel, our Telegram handle, and WhatsApp contact for business inquiries and collaboration. Don't forget to join all our social media and join our family, because all updates, the videos are not made for everyone. Instead, they are posted there for faster reference. Keep pushing, keep going, and keep creating your own cash session clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.